Welcome to our insightful video on understanding border detainment in the United States. We'll dive into the nuances of border detainment, common misconceptions, and essential advice for travelers. In today's video, we will cover several key topics, including the definition of border detainment, the possible duration, rights regarding departure if detained, influencing factors, what to do if detained, and general advice for travelers. Being detained at the border means being held by U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers for questioning and further investigation. It does not automatically equate to jail, but can be stressful with restricted movement. The duration of detainment at the U.S. border can range from a few hours to several weeks. It is crucial to note that this duration varies significantly and is dependent on the specific circumstances of each case. A critical question arises when one is detained. Can you be prevented from leaving if you wish to return home? The answer is complex, as it varies based on specific circumstances, potential immigration law violations, and CPB officer discretion. Several factors influence whether a person is detained and for how long. These include criminal history, even if not in the U.S., visa violations such as overstaying or providing false information, inconsistencies in statements or documents, and any perceived security threats. Let's test your understanding. What is one factor that can influence the duration of border detainment? Is it criminal history, personal wealth, previous visit occurrence, or flight distance? Pause the video to think about your answer. We will discuss the correct option in the next section. The correct answer is criminal history. Regardless of whether the record is in the U.S. or elsewhere, it may raise suspicion, influencing the duration of the detainment process. If detained, remain calm and cooperate. Answer questions truthfully. Understand your rights, such as the right to remain silent and to an attorney, but know it might affect detainment length. Have all documents ready, and present a return ticket if possible. For travelers to the U.S., ensure all your paperwork is accurate and up to date. Be consistent and truthful in your responses. Avoid mentioning work if you're on a tourist visa. Always have the contact information of an immigration lawyer handy. This information is intended for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional legal advice. For specific circumstances, consult with a qualified immigration attorney. Recapping the key points. Border detainment can last longer than anticipated. Factors such as criminal history can influence the process. Cooperation and having documentation ready are critical. Know your rights, but exercise them wisely. Thank you for watching. If you found the information presented useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.